Hey everyone! So today I am testing Lucas paints. Let me grab a bottle. Hold on. Okay. I buy them at from Jerry's Artorama, and this is what the bottle looks like. It's very thick paint. This one is, of course, yellow ochre. And I'm going to use this color today. I'm going to do a 10 by 20 flip and drag. I already laid the white down, and I'm still popping bubbles because I shook it, and it was very bubbly. So I thought, save us some time. So I'm going to get my cup. Use my WD-40 spray. This is a temporary thing. As soon as we figure out a way, I might just put some dimethicone in a jar and put a rag in there and just wipe the cup out with it. This stuff stinks. Stinky, stinky. Okay, so I'm going to use the yellow ochre and Prussian blue and metallic gold. Not a very cool color combination, is it? But I really am going to go heavy on the blue, and the yellow ochre and gold are going to be accent colors. So I'm going to start with the blue, and I'm going to finish with the blue. I was not going to paint today, but my husband is watching sports. My brother-in-law is watching sports. And nobody wants to hang out with me, so I'm going to come out here and hang out by myself. My favorite place. Okay. I'm hoping that that actually shows up and not be all blue. But it would be pretty even if it was all blue. Alright. I'm running out of places to put stuff. I need to clean. I didn't say that. We don't clean our art studios, do we? I actually do. I'm weird. Okay. I'm going to pop it in the middle. I'm probably going to get some green. What do you think? I think so, because this toothpick looks a little green. Yuck. Oh well. It'll be alright. That's the only bad thing about when you paint, when your colors blend together and make other colors when you don't want them. Most of the time I want that. Alright, she's already dropping paint. I'm going to go ahead and come this way. Yep, there's the green. That's alright. That's okay. Ugh. I was being so careful. I was watching that edge over there and didn't pay any attention to this. But look, I got lots underneath. I can fix that. It actually looks pretty with that little hint of green in there. Okay, no bare spots that I can see. I'm a little shallow here, but we might be able to blend that in when we tilt a little bit. Let me just give it a edge to move. I've had my heater on since this morning, so it's actually getting nice and warm in here. Not warm enough to resin though, and that's really what I want to do. There's so many things that need to be resined. That's one thing I don't want to do in the house. I love that yellow ochre in the middle there. It's pretty. There. I like that. There's a lot of blue over there. Let's torch it and see what happens. Brought some cells up there. No, it doesn't want to come up. Okay. Fine then, right? That's okay. Alright, so I'm going to airbrush. I like that little tiny green edge there. It's interesting. Okay. I get it. I wonder how much green I'll make mixing this up like this. I kind of like that bubble there. I'm going to leave that. That's kind of neat here too. I'm going to leave that. I'm getting lots of questions about what kind of torch I use. It's just a chef's torch that you can get anywhere, any kitchen goods store. Airbrush, of course, I've done the tutorial. If you want to know what airbrush I'm using, it's in the tutorial, the link. As far as the silicone that I use, you can watch the paint mixing videos. I show that there. It's just the same questions over and over again, and it's fine. I get it. If I was new, I'd still be asking too. I like that a lot. I wish that blue spot wasn't quite so dark. I can't fix that. I can't put any paint in it because then it would be way too thick. I'm going to turn that just a little bit. It's like a blue-green there. It's really pretty. I love that right there. Sometimes I just amaze myself, don't I? Yeah, I gotta turn it farther because I'm gonna end up with hooks if I don't do that. We don't want any hooks. I always have to peek over at the monitor to see. I'm gonna fix that white while I'm there. See where you're at on the screen here. And it also helps me see what you're seeing so I know where to go touch again, because when you're behind a painting like this, you don't see what you need to see. At least I don't. Not saying that about everybody. Sorry. A lot of times I'll go back and watch the video and I'll be like, why didn't I push that out? I'll point, like right there, right there. And I catch myself with my iPad, tilting my iPad when I'm watching my videos. That's not going to help. Monstrous cell right there. I think I'm going to leave it alone now. I think I like it enough to not touch it anymore. I'm hoping that the gold in here will dry with the gold and the ochre will be darker. What the heck is that? My tip came off my airbrush. That's weird. Never had that happen before. Okay, I'm going to give it a quick torch and give you guys a peek. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and click on the bell. You'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Check out my Etsy store. It's Christina Welch Art. And join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And you'll get to see dried paintings there before anybody else does. Okay. She's pretty. Do you see the green? Not sure if you guys can see the green. Right down in the bottom there on the edge too, there's little greens. And on this side, very light, like a blue-green. And in the middle, on right there, there's blue-green in there. It's pretty. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.